Hey fantastic you, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are gonna make a funny shirt today. My little brother asked me to make this shirt for him, so I've come up with the design on Design Space, and I'll show you how I did it. The main thing you're gonna learn on this shirt is how to have text on half of the image. But for anyone else watching who just thinks it's a funny shirt, it's based on the Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial. And there was some funny moments in that trial, so this is kind of like a meme shirt. So first thing we need is a picture of Johnny Depp. I've already got one uploaded. So let's bring it onto the screen. So there it is there. We're going to keep the size that we have. I'm going to actually take the shirt and just hide the shirt for now. That's just a template. And we're going to get a box. So let's go into our shapes, get a box. We're going to unlock the box, change the color so it's easier to see what's going on. And we're going to make this a bit bigger. So we want to cut off about half of Johnny's face. So I like that there. Before we do a slice, we have to take all the pieces of the face and weld those together. So we'll quickly do that. Then we'll highlight our box and Johnny and click slice. So let's get rid of everything on the right side of the screen. So now we need some text to go with this. And again, if you've been watching the trial, you'll understand what this means. So I've picked Arial Black. And it's regular, but it is a bold text. And we want bold because we want this to kind of pop. So let's get in there. The new text box is a little weird. So we've typed out time for a mega pint. We're going to move this over, and first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the negative line space and just get our words a bit closer together. Okay, that's not bad there. We'll see what it looks like a bit smaller. So I want to match this to the same height as that half of Johnny's face. So it's 7.739 inches. So 7.739 inches for height. Now, obviously it looks a little weird, so we want to do the width. And we can probably play around with the width that we can have a little bigger than the side of Johnny's face. So it's 2.667. So let's see what 3 looks like. So that's not bad. I'm not super keen on the spacing between the letters, so we're going to make that a little closer. And we got to switch our height again. So again, it might be a lot of playing around on your part. So 739. There we go. I like the look of that. So get as close as you want to the actual image with your text. Highlight both. Click align top or align bottom. So that looks pretty good. And we're going to, while they're both highlighted, click weld. So let's bring our shirt back. And you can obviously put the size shirt that you need in there, but you can size it up to what's going to look best for your shirt. This one I'll probably do, we'll do 8 inches for the length, and that's going to be about 6 inches wide. For a lady's medium shirt, I think that's going to look fantastic. But I'm going to get this cut out and we're going to put it on a shirt, see how it looks. Okay, let's get this weeded out. I have cut it out on Cricut Black Everyday Iron-On. So here is the shirt that I'm going to use. We're going to find the center of the shirt by folding it in half and putting a crease down the front. Good trick if you have troubles finding the center. There we go. Let's take a peek at it. That looks pretty good. So normally I fold this in half to find the center, but because the words are centered on this one, we're going to line those up. How does that look? And it looks pretty good. So we're going to press at 315 degrees for 30 seconds, and then you flip it over and do the other side for 15 seconds. I'll do that off camera. There we go, the front is done. Okay, this is a peel cool to the touch, so let's see how we did. So there we go. There is the shirt all done. Now, if you don't know why this is funny, I'll let you know. So during the trial, Amber Heard's lawyer was asking Johnny Depp about pouring a mega pint. And it's just, the mega pint part is funny. So that's what that is. But there you go. That's how you do a shirt where you have the words on one side and your image on the other side. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.